welcome back guys. So today's video is one of the most requested video and finally I'm shooting it. Today I am going to show you how you can get rid of those stubborn dark circles. I'll be showing you 5 different DIYs and you can pick whichever suits you or whichever you feel would work for you. So as always, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload such amazing videos. So now let's get started. First I want to talk about how do you get dark circles. Most common cause of dark circle, as we all know, is lack of sleep. It is so important to have that nice peaceful good night sleep, and sometimes it is also because of genetics, so it is passed on to us. Mostly we can't do much about it. It can also cause by allergies, excessive alcohol consumption and aging, also due to some medical reason. And if you feel it is because of your medical condition, then you should definitely go and check with your doctor. So here are some of my DIYs, so you can pick whichever works for you. Always make sure that you do a patch test. If you feel any irritation or if you feel any of those ingredients aren't working out for you, then make sure to remove it immediately. Don't go ahead and follow the process. So now let's move on and get started with our DIYs. So you might have heard about using tomatoes under your eyes. So today I'll be using tomatoes along with lemon. Lemon has vitamin C, which has skin lightening properties, which also helps with dark circles. And tomatoes have bleaching properties that can lighten skin to a great extent. So a mixture of tomato and lemon works great. So now let's see how to use it.
Take lemon and tomato. Take 1 teaspoon of tomato juice and mix it with 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now stir it well.
For this I'll be using a cotton pad. Just rest the cotton pad into the paste and apply it over your dark circles. Now allow it to sit for at least 10 minutes before rinsing it off. You can follow this remedy twice a day to see the changes. You might have heard about cold spoons. We usually use cucumbers, cold compress. So this is somewhat like that. You can also use cold spoon. I'll show you how you can do that. And so the cold temperature will help you with the tightening of the skin, and it will also reduce the puffiness under the eye. So this is one of the instant hack you can use to make those puffiness disappear.
Take 2 spoons. Keep them in your refrigerator for at least 15 to 30 minutes.
So here are the spoons. I kept them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So whenever you want to do a quick fix for your under eye or your puffy eyes, keep them in refrigerator and now just massage with the spoon. This will instantly heal those puffy eyes. This also helps when you had used your phone or laptop for a longer time for your work or maybe anything else, and because of having a lot of screen time, your eye starts paining. So you can follow the same trick for your eyes. It will make you feel so refreshed and relaxed. Next we're gonna talk about tea bags. Obviously you might have heard about tea bags. So what tea bag will do is it will shrink the blood vessels under your eyes. It will also reduce the puffiness and swelling under your eye and help you get rid of those stubborn dark circles. So now let's see how to use them.
Take 2 packets of green tea. Now soak them in hot water and let it rest for some time. Now let them cool down.
Be sure that you have rested it at least 30 to 15 minutes in your refrigerator. Mine are cool enough, so I'm placing it on my eyes. Let it rest on your eyes for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You can go relax, lie down on your bed.
Finish the process by washing your face with cold water.
So next is milk and honey. So honey has natural bleaching properties which can help in reducing those dark circles, and milk has lactic acid which is beneficial in reducing those fine lines, wrinkles and dark circles as well. So a combination of honey and milk works great. So now let's see how to use it.
Take good quality honey and milk. Take 1 teaspoon of milk. Now mix honey and make a smooth paste.
If you wish, you can use your finger. It's better to massage this paste under your eyes, so I will suggest you to use your finger to apply it rather than using a cotton pad. Take the paste, apply it under your eye. Apply good enough amount. Take at least 1 to 2 minutes to massage the paste under your eye. So these ingredients are very close to your eyes, but don't worry, they won't harm your eyes. That's the reason I am showing you these DIYs. So now I am done with the massaging, so I'll let it rest at least for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, just go and wash your face and dry it out. And you can use this paste daily to get better and quick results. Turmeric has a lot of benefits, and one of them is reducing dark circles. So now let's see how you can use it.
These are the ingredients we'll need. Mix 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of curd and a few drops of lemon juice. Make the paste. If you feel the paste is too thick, you can add more curd and lemon.
Let's move on to our last paste. This is the turmeric paste we made. Just apply it over your under eye. So now after applying the turmeric, you can let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or you can see if it dries out, then you can go and wash your face. So as we all know, haldi leaves a yellow tint. So if you're gonna apply it under your eye, it will leave a yellow tint under your eyes, but don't worry, it will eventually go away. So these were just some DIYs which you can use, but always make sure to sleep for at least 8 hours. This will help you a lot with your dark circles. And if you are following any of these DIYs, make sure to follow it religiously. Please don't try it once and claim that it does not work. It is not magic. It won't work in just one go. You have to follow it religiously. You have to be keen enough that you want those stubborn dark circles to go. I mentioned along with all the videos that how often you should use these DIYs. So follow that, and I guarantee you that you will definitely see the difference. So that's all for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to like and share, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So until next time, bye.